Simple recipe for milk bread from the Biro Home Recipes book 1956, 19th edition. Ingredients: 1 pound of self-raising flour, half a pint of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt. That's it. Just 3 ingredients. Mix the flour and salt in a bowl. And make into a dough with the milk. Put your dough into your loaf tin. And bake in a moderately hot oven at 200 fan, 220 centigrade conventional oven, 425 Fahrenheit, gas mark 7 for an hour. Here it is, all ready to go into the oven. And while you're doing that, while you're baking that, make a corn roast at the same time. Make a little nest out of tin foil for your corn roast, because it leaks and it sticks to your tray and it's very hard to get off. Stab your roast to let the steam out. Doing them both at the same time saves electricity. And that's it. Right. Let it cool. That's the roast all done. Yum yum.